Fix old cameras. Your successful completion of the demonstrated repair ultimately depends on the quality of your tools, the condition of your camera, and most importantly, your repair ability.
An explanation from someone that has no understanding of the why and a minimal understanding of the how, to make the following information as clear as mud that leaves you with more questions than answers. So here we go. Experience shows a silicone diode has a voltage drop of approximately 0.6 to 0.8 volts, while a germanium diode has a voltage drop of approximately 0.16 to 0.2 volts, making the silicone diode the choice of two battery metering systems. The germanium diodes are the best in the area of forward voltage drop in a single battery system. The germanium diodes are increasingly hard to find and more expensive. The silicone diodes are cheaper and apparently easier to find. Experience also shows a Zener diode is not a good choice for a substitute in either application. A silicone and germanium diode conduct in one direction only, whereas a Zener diode conducts in both directions but at different voltages. The difficulty in finding some of the vintage diodes that seem to work the best, an absolute perfect choice might not be available to you. Might be left with simply giving a particular diode a try. You will cause no harm to the meter if the diode chosen does not produce the desired voltage drop. For some examples, the Gaussian is fairly forgiving to the voltage difference even though it does not have a circuit regulating components. The Nikon FTN is a little more persnickety. One more thought. Years ago, when the mercury cell was first doomed to extinction, along came the MR9 battery adapter. Slip an S76 type battery inside the MR9 and now you have a direct substitute for the MS625 battery. No meter adjustment necessary. The MR9 supposedly had a built-in chip resistor that was supposed to drop the voltage to the 1.35 volts. This adapter is still around, but it is wildly inconsistent in functionality and in price depending on the source that it is acquired from. Then in maybe 1998, the new Camera Craftsman, now long out of production, ran a short piece on the Diode Modification. It discussed a technique that has been demonstrated in other fixed-old camera videos. Since that short piece appeared in the now defunct Camera Craftsman magazine, and probably before, camera users have continued to report good results of having a fairly accurate meter function in their classic cameras that this technique might apply to. If you are interested in giving it a shot, ECG 109 diode, SK3090 or OA90 for single battery systems. For meter systems designed to take two 625 batteries, use the IN4007 diode. It seems to work pretty well. Nothing to it except a little time and a few dollars.
Thank you for watching. Inspired? Check back for new video postings.